Hello, so good to meet you at our global motivational meeting. We are reading Word Scriptures book, this God's word that inspire billions of people, family, communities, countries, and the whole world. And we'll help you to just read these quotes and practice in daily life. Think about them, that God could give you tips for happy life and prosperity. As we're reading this holy book from the beginning, please find all the chapters of our Message to Billion channel. And let's see what God prepared for us today. As we're reading about society and leadership, let's read about the righteous leaders keeps away from corruption. First quote, there is no vice more detestable than avarice, more especially in great men and such as bears sway in the government of a state. Another quote, he who receives office in order to profit from it is like an adulterer who gets his pleasure from a woman's body. God says, I am called holy, you are called holy. If you have not all the qualities which I have, you should not accept leadership. Another quote, do not ask for the position of authority, for if you are granted this position as a result of you asking for it, you will be left to discharge it yourself. But if you are given it without asking, you will be helped by God. Further, let's read quotes from the second episode, Father, Son, and Moon. Whether religious leaders or politicians, their greatest weakness is selfishness. Among two people, the one who willingly works for the sake of others, for something greater, transcending himself, stand on the side of good, while the other who does whatever is expedient for his own self-interest is evil. Government officials should live for the sake of the nation. If instead they use their office only to benefit their own families, they are evil. Do not rob from your organization's funds for your personal use. It is destroying the public environmental, and every bit is unlawful as robbing the state. Anyone who does such things, no matter how they try to live a good life, will not succeed. If you value your personal property more than public property, you are violating heavenly law. If you value your private life more than your public responsibility, you are violating God's will. When you leaders arrive in the spirit world, what will be recognized as the most serious sin you committed on earth? The first is misusing public funds. The second, not doing your very best for your public mission. The third, violating the principle. These are the three major sins. You ministers, be careful. Using the church for your selfish purpose is the same as using God. Therefore, when guests visit your church or when you are out evangelizing, you should never occupy your mind with the question, what this person donate a lot of money. So powerful quotes for today. If you have difficulties, please watch online this video. Share this video as we end this video on Happy Life Subscribers Marathon. Contact me for consultation, cooperation, and become a member of this Heavenly Paris Holy community globally. Receive Heavenly Kingdom citizenship right now. The contact is below. See you tomorrow with more powerful quotes. And till then, turn on suggestion playlists. Choose the best one for you and listen God's word. Stay blessed all the day. Bye bye. Yours, Nicolae.